This video shows how to buy shares of Ambiq Micro Inc., a company focused on ultra-low power semiconductor and microcontroller technology. Ambiq Micro Inc. trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AMBQ, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To proceed, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you'll typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AMBQ to find Ambiq Micro Inc. Select the result that shows Ambiq Micro Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct listing. On the asset page, check the company description, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it's Ambiq Micro Inc. Verify the NASDAQ listing and the AMBQ ticker before proceeding. Tap Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be queued or set to execute when the market opens, depending on the platform. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, you will see your Ambiq Micro position in your portfolio. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to learn more.